Hi, I'm Public Affairs Specialist Stephanie Hirata with 5 fast things happening around the city you need to know. Starting us off at number 5, celebrate Indian Bend Wash with free community events. The Indian Bend Wash Flood Control Project transformed a serious flooding hazard into a world-renowned network of parks, lakes, paths, and golf courses traversing through the heart of Scottsdale. The Indian Bend Wash Greenbelt spans 11 miles and is considered one of the top urban green spaces in Arizona. Its creation demonstrates the city's commitment to environmental conservation and creating recreational opportunities for residents. Join the celebration to experience the history and beauty of the Indian Bend Wash through family-friendly events. Don't miss out on the Paws in the Park dog event at Chaparral Dog Park and an exciting dive-in movie at El Dorado Aquatic Center. Get all the details at scottsdaleaz.gov and search Indian Bend Wash events. Coming in at number 4, get ready, Scottsdale. This month, our Transportation and Streets Department is kicking off their yearly road shoulder maintenance cycle. Street operations crews maintain more than over 100 miles of road shoulders throughout the city. 8-man crews operate a variety of heavy equipment in the work area, including motor graders, front-end loaders, side and end dump trucks, kick brooms, water trucks, road rollers, and traffic control aero trucks. Their tasks include clearing overgrown vegetation from the sides of roads, improving driver visibility, and ensuring bicycle lanes are free from obstruction. This trimming also forms a natural fire break, a safe 12 feet from the road. They also backfill deteriorated and washed out shoulder edges, a common result of standard roadway wear and tear and storm damage. To ensure a smooth and safe surface for vehicles, crews diligently grade the shoulder slope. Transportation and Streets would like to remind everyone that safety is our top priority, both for our road users and our hardworking crews. We urge everyone to exercise caution when driving near construction zones and to adhere to posted directional signs. Next up at number 3, save the date. Scottsdale's annual community Juneteenth celebration is next month. Come and enjoy delicious food, uplifting music, family-friendly entertainment, and so much more. This free and vibrant event promises a day filled with indoor and outdoor activities from 2 to 7 p.m. on Saturday, June 15th at the Scottsdale Center for the Performing Arts. Learn more at scottsdaleaz.gov and search Juneteenth. At number 2, have you heard the exciting news? Scottsdale is making several upgrades to McCormick-Stillman Railroad Park. The new features include an indoor train-themed play structure and splash pad, which will make the park even more popular during the hot summer months. Construction is expected to take about a year to complete. The splash pad, approved as part of the 2019 bond election, has been the most requested enhancement over the past several years, as identified during the park's master planning process. The indoor play structure is being purchased by the Scottsdale Railroad and Mechanical Society, the park's nonprofit partner. McCormick-Stillman Railroad Park is Scottsdale's signature park and generates approximately $2.5 million in revenue annually. Learn more at scottsdaleaz.gov and search Railroad Park improvements. Wrapping things up at number 1, a great big congratulations to the city's 2024 Sustainable Scottsdale Award winner, Our City. Our City has been collecting food waste from Scottsdale residents and businesses for more than a decade, diverting millions of pounds of food waste from landfills to be used in local farming. They collect food waste from residents and businesses to produce compost on their farm, which means they can grow produce without the use of chemicals or pesticides. In addition, they offer local organic produce to Scottsdale's doorsteps with their full circle curbside delivery. Mayor Ortega recognized Our City at the city's Earth Fest event at Cactus Park in April. Once again, congratulations and thank you for your sustainable efforts. And that's Scottsdale's Fast 5 for May. Thanks for watching.